DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. You see me, I say, only lab what go on? Eh? Crazy reactions and crazy what? Yeah, man, bangers on your head top, man. You see me, I don't know what time it is. Today it should be no different. Because we're there with Mr. Sinful. Yeah, man, Mr. Ratbat himself, man. Mr. Wild himself, man. Yeah, we're there with RAJAHWILD. The one named Few Bricks. You see me, and dog just drop it like a few minutes ago. We're gonna check it out, see what dog I deal with. You don't know RAJAHWILD, always mad style, mad vibes and everything there. The one the dog I premiere like said this one's supposed to be epic, so we're expecting nothing less. You see me answer, so I see where Mr. Wild I deal with, but before we jump on the gang, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button on the road to 10k. You don't know what time it is, gang. Do the right thing, code is life. You see me answer? Yeah, man, RAJAHWILD, Mr. Sinful himself, Few Bricks, gang. Let's get it.
Yo, top ranks. Sinful. Top ranks.
Everything go. Visuals on this shit crazy though. I ain't gonna cap to you. Okay, I like the 90s feel of the video, looking epic.
Few million a kicks. Few breaking a bills. Jewelry a bling. Doozy a drink. Few breaking a rims. Few breaking a skin. New whip as your blink. Push it country limit. You're not tougher than my things. Done it to in a minute. And someone make a meal. Pass me a flask. I'm gonna show them like a fool. Yo, party I had, man. L-Star we a rock. 17 in the belly, cow born in a war. Fuck up a million, just call it a loss. If I want to check up on me, do not call me a ass. I never know how far we have on. All of this in a day, each other.
Hola. I'm liking it. Visual crazy, lyrics crazy. Fuck up on a couple mil, call it a loss. You want to check on me? Don't call me a ass. I want to hear that. We just say, hey, come on. Let's take it from the top. Let's take it from the top, gang. I'm rocking with this shit.
Yo, top ranks.
This nigga can have 666 pan it. This, hey. Our world, Dan Mafia, you see it? Come on.
Few million a kicks. Few breaking a bills. Jewelry a bling. Doozy a drink. Few breaking a rims. Few breaking a skin. New whip as your blink.
Woohoo, this beat, I'm liking the beat and the visuals.
Push it country limit. You're not tougher than my things. Done it to in a minute. And someone make a meal.
Easy boy, not tough like me things. Come in.
Pass me a flask. I'm gonna show them like a fool. Yo, party I had, man. L-Star we a rock. 17 in the belly, cow born in a war. Fuck up a million, just call it a loss. If I want to check up on me, do not
Call me a ass. Oh, yeah.
check it swag. I never know how far we have on. All of this in a day, each other. Few million a kicks. Few breaking a bills.
Hey, yo, Raja. Support the family there. Come in.
Jewelry a bling. Doozy a drink. Brilliant. Few breaking a rims. Few breaking a skin. New whip as your blink. Push it country limit. You're not tougher than my things.
I'm to you, new whip as your blink, brother. I'm to you, it. Hey.
And someone make a meal. All I wash off. Rich again. Producer come to me sick of them. You mad? She know me that, but she not give a hell.
Yeah.
Money buy leads, give me nigga them. Big beast by 19.
Oh, me that, but she not give up. Hey, I'm here, man. Yeah, man. She love that.
Look like one siren. Black tees and Nikes. A boss like me a fireman. Chase that back high speed. Got drip like ice cream. Clutch a gal pan IG. Just send down few million a kicks. in a show.
Clutch a girl from IG just send down few millions in a kicks. Few couple bricks in a bills. Come
Few
in,
brick in
man.
a bills, jewelry a bling, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 a drink. Few brick in a rims, few brick in a skin. New whip as you blink. Push it country limit.
Easy no mama.
You're not tougher than my Tim's. Done it to in a minute. And someone make a meal.
Easy no. Easy with the athlete. Easy with the athlete. Blood clean. Easy now, man. RAJAHWILD, few bricks gang. Let me know one thing about the one there. Mr. Sinful himself. All I rat back them. Let me know if rat back them there. Easy. Yeah, man. Mr. RAJAHWILD himself, man. Yes, Mr. Sinful, few bricks. Yeah, man. The visuals on that one crazy. You see me? The song is crazy too. It's a mad vibe. More of a vibe song than a lyric song. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah, man. RAJAHWILD keep doing his thing, man. Keep doing his thing. The visuals crazy as always, and you know, song bad. You see me? Yeah, man. Few million a blood cleat kicks. You see me? Few bricks in a bills. I want to you. I want to go on like, you know, tougher than my teams, brother. Easy on yourself. Don't need toll in a minute. That's how we make a meal fast. What you know? Yeah, man. RAJAHWILD, few bricks, gang. Let me know anything about the one. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know so they dance anyway. You see me? I say. Yeah, man. Also, gang, let me know what your favorite part in the comment section. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, gang. Let's chop it up and get a dialogue going. You see me? I say. Yeah, man. RAJAHWILD, Mr. Sinful himself with another one. Yeah, man. Yeah. RAJAHWILD keep doing anything, man. You don't know, keep on a react to RAJAHWILD thing. You see me? So, yeah, let's chop it up, gang. Like, as you know, gang, road to 10K. You see me? 300 away from 7K. You see me? I say 3K away from 10K. Hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know what's going up. Latest reaction channel on YouTube. We not ask cinema. We don't know only thing of that mafia. Yeah, man. We're taking it up, man. We trying to hit 10K before New Year's. That would be a great Christmas present, birthday present, New Year's present. You know what I'm saying? We in 10K before the year end. You see me? I say, on the road. Yo, that mafia, we on the way up. You see me? We on our way up. You see me? I say, they can't stop it thing, man. You see me? But yeah, man. More bangers to compound it. Yeah, more bangers to drop on it. More reactions coming. You don't know, do the right thing. Like and subscribe. You don't know, share all that good stuff. You don't know, gang. Till next time. Yeah, man. Take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. Yeah, man. And make sure, first of all, have you been staying prayed up, man? Make sure you're staying prayed up. Make sure you're taking steps towards your goals. Make sure you're making every day count. You see me? I say anything you want in life, you can achieve. Believe and you will achieve. There's anything you want in life, you can get it. As long as you believe in yourself. You see me? Believe and you will achieve. And that's facts. Yeah, man. But yeah, man. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.